Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're completely new to cybersecurity and ethical hacking, today's video is for you. I'm going to walk you through installing Kali Linux on your computer using something called virtual machine, right? So don't worry, it sounds complicated, but I'll break it down, step by step, so it's super easy to follow. Now, Kali Linux, right, is one of the best tools for learning ethical hacking. And the best part is it is completely free. So by the end of this video, you'd have Kali Linux running safely on your computer, ready to, explore and knock yourself out. So let's get started. You need some basic things, right? You need a laptop with at least 4 gigabyte of RAM. You need 20 gigabyte of free storage. You need an internet connection. You need a VirtualBox, which is a free software where we will create a virtual machine. You need your Kali Linux ISO file. Those are the basic things you need. Don't worry if this sounds confusing. I'll walk you through it. Right. First of all, let's install our VirtualBox, which is a sandbox, basically a sandbox where we would be hosting a virtual machine, which is the Kali Linux, right? So let's go to Google. You're gonna go to Google, you're gonna type what's this website again? You're gonna type get into PC. You can type get into PC. Okay, you're gonna fall in love with this website eventually because it has a lot of things. So we're gonna search for VMware, and this is the VirtualBox we're gonna be using, right? A VMware, it's a type of VirtualBox. So basically you're supposed to know this because I gave you all of this, right? So we're gonna come here, I wouldn't recommend downloading this. Let's download this, right? We're gonna click on this and we're gonna scroll down to downloads, which is gonna be 500 megabyte. So you're gonna, that's it, before installing software you must watch this installation guide video. So you're gonna download this and you're gonna also download this, right? So when you download that, you're gonna have it right. I already downloaded this, so you're gonna have it in a zip file, right in your downloads. You're gonna have it right here. So this is it, right? This is it right here. So you're gonna unzip it and you're gonna have this. So what you need to do is the video you downloaded from the website, this video right here, this video, right, is going to show you how to install that, right? How to install this. So it's going to look something like this. Now what the next thing we need is our Kali Linux ISO file. So we'll download Kali Linux ISO file. Head over to your Google again. You're gonna search for Kali Linux. I already did. Let me go back so you guys see the steps. You're gonna head over to Google. You're gonna search for Kali Linux. I have slow internet connection, so I just wanted to go steps ahead. So you're going to search for Kali links, you're going to click on the first link, and you're going to come, it's going to bring you here. It's going to bring you here to this website, right? Kali.org. So you're going to click on download. I scroll down to this image installer image JS. You're gonna click on recommended, and obviously you're going to download the 64-bit, which is about 4 gigabyte, right? Yeah, 4 gigabyte. Now you click on download, and okay, now guys, after downloading your ISO image file, the Kali Linux image file, it's gonna be in your downloads, your programs is gonna be here. So what you gonna do next is you head over to your VMware workstation, your VirtualBox. You're going to create a virtual machine, right? It's gonna give you this prompt. You hit on next. Click on this. Installer Dix image file. Browse. Go to wherever you downloaded it to. Click on it. Hit on next. Ubuntu is fine. You could choose Ubuntu 64-bit or Ubuntu, just anyone. But this is fine. Hit on Linux, right? Hit next. You could name it whatever you want. First machine, first Kali, or let's say you name it something cool. What's cool? Pen tester, right? Pen tester, right? Give it a cool name. Okay, I have that already. You could give it pen tester 1. Hit on next. 20 gig for your free storage is fine, but you could go higher if you have more, right? So you could give it like 40 gig, which would be fine. You hit on next. You come to customize hardware, right? So 4 gig memory, your RAM 4 gig is fine, but if you have more, you could give it more. For the sake of this video, let's just leave it on 4 gig. And your network adapter, if it's on bridge, bring it to NAT. If it's on NAT, leave it as it is. What this is going to do is it's going to share your computer's IP address. So in the future, it would be easier, to work with other machines on or in your VirtualBox. So you close this, you hit on finish. And it's gonna give you this, right? It's gonna give you this. You click on power on virtual machine, and it's gonna prompt you. It's gonna give you all of these prompts. Now we're not gonna go deep into this because I feel like you're supposed to already know this, and if you don't, tell me in the comment section if you don't know this, and I'll make a video about this. Or you could go, browse it out and see how it's done. You have resources everywhere telling you how to install this Dix. So yeah, you do this. After installing all of this, you're gonna get something like this, right? You're gonna have something like this, which is perfect, right? So if you see something like this, yes, you've successfully installed this, right? So congratulations, you successfully installed Kali Linux in a VirtualBox, right? Now, um, you you would work with this 90% of the time, right? This is your hacking lab, right? Your hacking lab where you would work 90% of the time, and your terminal, this one is like 99% of the time you work here, right? So the most important thing for today is that we have successfully installed Kali Linux, and which is a huge first step, right? Huge first step in your cybersecurity journey. In the future, in future videos, I'll show you how to use some tools built in Kali Linux. But for now, just take your time exploring. Take your time and explore. Just knock yourself out. Touch things, click things, try to know what. Just go around the desktop, go around your terminal. I'm sure you should know basic commands, right? Your ls, all of those, ls, your cd, all of those. You're supposed to know that because I gave you this website on our previous video, so you should know those by now, right? Navigating using the command line and what. Okay, my internet just cut off, but I give you all of this, so you should have known your basic syntax, on how to navigate using your terminal. So yes, you have this. So thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more beginners friendly tutorials. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any questions regarding to what we did or any video ideas, and I'll see you guys in the next video.